Hi guys, welcome to Taste TV. So today I am making a simple salad. I'm going to start with using some arugula here that I'm going to rinse and clean for our salad. You can use any greens you like, but I prefer arugula because it has a little bit of a spice to it that I like for this salad. Next, I'm going to start by using grape tomatoes. I got the variety pack at the grocery store, so I'm using the red and yellow ones. Just add a little bit of different colors and flavor to it. And I'm just going to literally slice them right in half and pop them into my bowl. Next, I'm going to dice up some English cucumber and some red onions as well. Get that all nice and diced here. Next, it's time to prepare our shrimp. So I'm going to start by drizzling some olive oil in the bottom of my pan. Get that nice and covered. And then I'm going to pop in some chopped garlic. Now I'm going to let that brown just a little bit, brown but not burn. And then I'm going to add some crushed red peppers to that as well and let that infuse into the oil. It's going to give it a lot of flavor, you guys, I promise. Then I'm going to go ahead and dump in the shrimp that's been cleaned and deveined already and give that a nice stir. And then I'm just going to season it simply with salt and pepper at first. I was trying to be cute here by measuring it in my hand, but I'm going to go ahead and just dump it on in there. Bam. So this, you can really season any way you like. You can use Cajun seasoning, you can use garlic salt, whatever you prefer. The garlic in the oil gives it a lot of flavor, so I'm not going to over season it here. And then once they're about halfway done, I'm just going to drizzle it with some fresh lemon juice. Notice that I'm holding the lemon juice right side up so the seeds do not fall into the shrimp. And then I'm going to sprinkle it with a little paprika to give it some more flavor and color. Now it's time to plate it on up. You guys can see all the beautiful colors there. I'm just going to add the shrimp to it. Such a pretty salad, but it's so good, I promise you. And I'm not going to go over it in this video, but I made a simple cilantro lime dressing that I'm drizzling over the salad. But I will link the video for that in a future post.